Hello students, welcome to Vineet Institute. In this class, we shall discuss the basics of Chapter 2, Polynomials of Class 10th Mathematics. Polynomials. Okay, what do we mean by a polynomial? So what is the standard form of a polynomial in variable x? Generally, what we are going to discuss here is that the standard form of a polynomial or any expression which is of the form an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus up to say a2 x raised to 2 plus a1 x raised to 1 plus a0 x raised to 0. In this case, we can eliminate this x raised to 0 because x raised to 0 is 1. Here an, or let me take as a0, a1, a2 up to an are real numbers, and the condition given here is that the powers of x, that is the indices, are all positive integers. The powers of x are non-negative integers. They cannot be negative, or they cannot be in roots, or they cannot be anything else except integers, especially non-negative integers. So we can have names for polynomials. Say if it is a polynomial of variable x, in variable x, then we take it as p of x, say g of x, q of x, r of x, or something else like that. Okay, now we shall discuss something about types of polynomials. What are types of polynomials? Types of polynomials. So we will first discuss based on degree of polynomial. So here for some special cases we will be giving names. So for example, say linear polynomial. So it is a polynomial having degree 1. So having degree 1. So a polynomial having degree 1. It is a 1 degree polynomial. So the standard form of a linear polynomial in x will be given by p of x equal to ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers, and especially here the coefficient of the highest degree term ax, that is a, is not equal to 0. In this case also an is the coefficient of the highest degree term. So here the condition should be given as an is not equal to 0. This condition is very important. Okay, is this clear? So now we shall move on to some examples. Say we can have, say, p of x, these are examples. P of x equal to, say, 2x plus 7, say g of x equal to 5x minus 9, or anything else. We can have something like this also. Say s of x equal to, say, root 3x plus let me take it as 1 by 2. This is also a polynomial. Here observe the power of x is a non-negative integer. The coefficients can be real numbers. These numbers can be real numbers. Okay, now we shall move on to the next type of polynomials based on degree, that is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials. So a polynomial having degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. So let us write down the standard form of a quadratic polynomial. So take it as p of x equal to, say, a into x raised to 2 plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are all real numbers, and given that a is not equal to 0, we can have some more examples, like say p of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 7. So g of x equal to 7x square plus 5. S of x equal to say 10x square plus 2x plus 3. We can have minus or something like that, it doesn't matter. Same way we can have defining cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomial is nothing else but a polynomial having degree 3. So a polynomial having degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. So the standard form of a cubic polynomial in x will be given by p of x equal to, say, a into x raised to 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are all real numbers. We can observe that 3, 2, 1 and here in this case x raised to 0, the indices are all positive integers, means in this case x raised to non-negative integers. Okay, some examples. Say p of x equal to, say, 3x raised to 3, let me take 7 here, 7x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 2 plus say 3x minus 8. This is a cubic polynomial. Here we can have this example. Let me write this clearly. This is 2. Okay. So these were the classification. We have some more, like say for example 4th degree polynomial is also called a biquadratic polynomial or 4th degree polynomial. In general, this a n x raised to n plus a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus up to say a0 or a0 will be the standard form. This thing will be the standard form of an n degree polynomial. Standard form of an nth degree polynomial in x.